no, I messed that up. Okay. What was I saying? Oh my God. I'm getting on my own nerves right about now. No, I messed it up again. Hey everyone, I hope everyone's doing well and making sure to stay safe out there. But welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're ready for part 2 of my son's video game wall decor, because I know I am. And let's go ahead and get started. Come on. For this project, I decided to challenge myself by repurposing some items that my son already had in his room for when he was younger. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face at the bottom of the screen, and let's get into it. Build Your Own World Minecraft toy set. I took 13 of his boxes and I turned them into the blocks from the Mario world. Some of the boxes I turned into the yellow question marks from Super Mario. I just printed the question marks off from a computer. My son has had this lamp from IKEA since he was 4 years old, but I got the great idea to change this into the evil sun that chases Mario in Super Mario World. These Super Mario wall decals are from when we moved into our house 5 years ago. I let him have a Mario themed bathroom, but I've changed that since then, so now they're going in his room. I love the way this all turned out. And then I made a few other purchases to go along with the video game theme for the room. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel just by clicking on my face at the bottom of your screen. And thank you again for watching. Bye.